Today we are in Champions Gate. This is a client that I have for so many years. I think that more than 10 years. She's gonna sell the condo. She's gonna retire. She's already retired, and she's gonna move with her grandchildren, and she's gonna sell the property. Today we are cleaning the windows in and out. We already removed the screens. We have a screen washer that I'm gonna wash all the screen with this machine. We bring the pressure washer and we're gonna pressure wash the patio, and we are removing the mildew that is on the screens because of the humidity in Florida. So stay tuned, okay? Thank you for watching all our videos. They are working in and out to clean the window, the frame, and the rail. This is the green screen from the porch. Now we are washing the screens with the screen washer and the frame. Okay, now We are gonna clean the windows. This is our water filtration, the anger. The TDS meter is here. We are in 0, so that means pure water. We're gonna wash the windows and the frame. The girls already clean all the frame for inside and the outside. So now I just washing the glass. Now we are gonna rinse. This is the green screen from the porch. Son las 3, Dios mío. These windows came really, really good. We have to do these windows as soon as Sonia finished. It was like that with the green mold. It's the mildew for the weather.